A client from downtown Atlanta sent us an email. They had expressed an issue with some banging noise they're hearing inside their house, and they pinpointed that it happens every time they use a specific plumbing fixture in their basement. In this case, it was a banging noise from a sewage pump that had not had their piping strapped off properly. So every time that pump would cycle, it rattled the house like nobody's business. It would just bang, bang, made a whole lot of noise inside the house. Other causes can be water line, that the straps and bracing that's inside the walls starts to loosen up over time. You know, if the house is old, those type of things just wear out. Quite often, if you first hear that banging noise, we call it water hammer or pipe hammering. We can find ways to re-secure those pipes before they start causing friction, because if you've got that thing banging and causing friction against a 2x4, or maybe the brace itself that's not holding it anymore, every time that pipe shifts, it's rubbing on the pipe, so it can cause a leak. It can cause damage to the house if left unnoticed. It also is quite aggravating just to hear that thing banging in the house all the time. If you hear noises in your wall, hopefully they're not ghosts. If it's plumbing, call Trinity Plumbing.